Are passenger cars truly ready for a collision with a truck? Recent crash tests conducted by DCAR have delivered surprising results. In one of the most challenging scenarios, 30 passenger cars were subjected to collisions with a truck trailer equipped with a Mansfield bar, a specialized beam designed to prevent cars from sliding underneath the trailer. The results? Only the Tesla Model 3 passed the test with a positive evaluation. Thanks to advanced safety systems and robust construction, the passenger cabin remained intact, while the low center of gravity effectively absorbed the impact energy, ensuring the protection of the driver and passengers. The tests revealed that luxury cars do not always perform best in extreme collision conditions. The luxurious Maybach performed worse than the significantly cheaper Hyundai, and the Range Rover also suffered severe damage, clearly demonstrating that high price and prestigious design do not always equate to safety. Surprisingly, smaller and lighter vehicles such as the Hyundai Elantra and Geely Emgrand achieved relatively good results thanks to efficient crumple zones, despite their simpler construction. Notably, the new Xiaomi SU7 model stood out by effectively directing impact forces upward, minimizing cabin damage. Meanwhile, the Zeekr 001, despite utilizing Volvo-based technology, failed to meet the test's challenges. Testers also noted that cars with glass roofs performed worse in terms of passenger protection. Experts emphasize that price and luxurious features do not guarantee the highest level of safety. Attention was also drawn to the design of truck trailers. While the Mansfield bar is mandatory in many countries, the test results suggest that its effectiveness still requires improvements. Will these findings compel car manufacturers to introduce more advanced solutions? Or will new regulations for truck design become necessary? One thing is certain, the Tesla Model 3 has set a new standard, but the automotive market still has much ground to cover.